Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to talk about introduction. Next we are going to discuss about definition and talk about what is copywriting and what is the meaning of this term copywriting. Next we are going to talk about where it is used and why we should learn copywriting. Before moving ahead, I would request you to practice more and more than simply watching this lecture. Copywriting, so let's go ahead. Introduction. So, copywriting is basically the ability to make sales without written words. So, it is using your words to sell something. It is a form of writing that is pursuing you or your readers to take actions. So, some of the examples are emails, billboards, websites, landing pages, and brochures. So, the key point or the main purpose is of writing a copy or that's what we call copywriting is designed to make someone take an action. So here it is written in this slide. The key point is to make someone take an action. So always keep this in mind that while copywriting, we just had one purpose, one key point to make our readers take some action on our page. Next, definition. So old definition, or you can say sole purpose, is to exchange your money with internet. But sometimes, for example, you get a pop-up or a landing page to sign up for emails in exchange of any free material like ebooks or any videos, but that is not directly asking for money. So the old definition gets changed and it converted into a new definition. So new definition is it's the writing that is designed to make someone take action. So as I discussed in the previous slide, the key point or the main sole purpose of copywriting is to make someone take action on your website. We don't need money, direct money, but we need that someone would take an action if they are on our website, whether it's in any form, whether it's like leaving email addresses, phone number, or just by going through the websites and filling content, anything. But just we need our users to take action what we wanted. Like if we are selling a product, we want they should take an action like add to cart, or they should proceed to buy. Or if a pop-up come on our website, so we need that our copies is that attractive, so people can give their email or add their email to our subscriber list. So later on we can target our subscriber list and we can earn more money. Not every website needs money. They want email. So they add you to email first and use copywriting to sell something. So we have gone through these many times in our daily life. So suppose we saw an ad on Instagram or Facebook, like someone is offering us a free ebook. So we go on the landing page and we put our email address there, and later on we start getting mails about their sales pitches or their product. So they are using copywriting to sell their products. Next, where is it used? So now to understand what is copywriting, so now we have understood what is copywriting, you can easily tell where is it used. So we daily encounter copywriting in our daily life if we spend some time online. It is used in sales letters, product pages, email marketing, PPC ads, landing pages on opt-ins. Next, why learn? So why should we learn copywriting? Means I get to know about what is definition, where it is used, but why should I learn? Why I need copywriting in my businesses, for my businesses and for my websites? So the first main point, it develops customer focused mindset. So what is a customer focused mindset? So I will say this sentence a lot of time in this course. People care about themselves. They don't care about you. So they care about themselves and what your product can do for them. So they don't care what you are, how many sales you have made, how many websites you. They just care about themselves. They just want to know how your product will benefit their life. Businesses needs words that help people take action. So people see it, if people see it, your product as an amazing product, if it directly benefit their life. So we will talk it about how your products will benefit their life and how to pursue them to buy through benefits. So we will talk about this in later in this course in benefits and features part. So you can, the second part is you can apply it anywhere. So you copywriting is everywhere. So if you run any website or anything online businesses, you can see copywriting is everywhere. Product pages, your services, your main pages, websites, sale pages, where email marketing, everything is copyright. So you can apply it anywhere. If you learn copywriting, you can apply it anywhere. If you run an online business, you can create best sale pitches only once. So you only write the copy once, and then you can use it to sell this copy to multiple times. Means you can sell it many times. You just write one product description, or you just write one landing page, then you can market it and sell that copywriting, or sell your product through copywriting many times. You didn't have to write that copy again and again whenever you will sell. You just wrote it once, and then you can publish your website, and then you can sell it many times. Like you can write a product description for a product, physical product. Now you can use that product description anywhere where your product is listed, whether you are running your online store, website, or you can also list there in eBay or Amazon. So you can write copy once, and you can sell it many times. So copywriting is everywhere. Copywriting is everywhere, and it is in huge demand. This point is obvious. If we are online, we daily encounter copywriting. Landing pages, emails, sales copy. Not only it is used in online, but also in offline. Like we see on road billboards or any other offline advertisements. So this is why we should learn copywriting, because it's a part of our life. We daily encounter copywriting, and if we daily encounter copywriting, then we are taking actions on somebody else's websites. So why don't we learn copywriting and help ourselves, our businesses, to make more sales, make more money without hiring any other copywriter to write description or our sale pages. So this is about what is copywriting. If you find this is valuable, please like and subscribe this channel, and please do check the description for more details, and thank you very much.